Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
The main window in which you perform your tasks within Windows 7 and Windows Vista is the desktop. In Windows 8, the desktop is simply another app that you can access from the Start screen. However, the desktop is used in much the same way between all versions in Windows. In Windows 8, the Start button, which used to appear in the lower left corner, has been removed from the desktop, as many of the features that it provided are now replaced by the Start screen. Also, many older programs will be opened within the desktop app when you open older apps within newer Windows 8. So, for example, if you added an app icon for Microsoft Word, when you click it within the Start screen, it will open within the desktop application environment. On your desktop, you can place shortcuts to your favorite files, folders, and programs. These shortcuts are displayed as icons on your desktop. The icons shown on the desktop can be customized for each user account within the computer. One icon that is commonly shown on the desktop is the recycle bin. This is where files that have been deleted from your computer's C drive will be temporarily stored until you decide to permanently delete them. Note that when you delete files from removable media or network locations, those files are not sent to the recycle bin, but are permanently deleted instead. So it is important when working on a network that you do not assume that files and folders you delete from network drives will go to the recycle bin. Be careful with the files that you delete from your computer. In Windows 7 and Windows Vista, you can access many programs and files by clicking the Start button that appears in the lower left corner of the desktop. That will then display the Start menu, and here you can select one of the many commonly accessed areas of your computer by clicking on a command in the listing at the far right side of the Start menu. To view all the programs available, click the All Programs command within the Start menu to change the display of the left side of the panel to a listing of programs that are available on your computer. You can then click on an application to launch it. Also, in the Start buttons menu in Windows Vista and 7, you can click the Documents command to open your default user folder where you can save files that you create. Saving your files to the Documents folder gives you a consistent location to save your files, making it less likely that you will lose them on your computer's folder system. Now, when you are at work, you may have a different location to which you must save your files as directed by your system administrator or supervisor. You should then save to that folder instead of the Documents folder. However, when you are at home, feel free to store your documents here. When you're finished examining the Documents folder, you can click the X in the upper right corner of the window to close the window. Now, another command button that you can access from the Start buttons menu is the Computer command. You can click this command in Windows 7 and Vista to open a window that allows you to navigate through the drives, folders, and files that are available to your computer through Windows Explorer.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.